going down to Abuja House. We going down to Abuja House to chase Buhari out of town. Baba Buhari, people are at your gate. Come downstairs. Baba Buhari, people are at your gate. Come downstairs. Come downstairs, Baba Buhari.
Thank you.
The police are here, but they can't no one. Abuja House. We going down to Abuja House. We going down to Abuja House to chase Buhari out of town. He's gotta go. We going down to Abuja House. We going down to Abuja House. We going down to Abuja House to chase Buhari out of town.
Now listen, I promised the police that I'm going to be leaving. We have the right to peaceful protest.
Yeah.
I myself personally, I'm going to be leaving. I promise you guys remain here, but be peaceful. Be peaceful. Be peaceful. No violence. Be peaceful.
No, no time for that.
No violence. Be peaceful. Now, we are insisting that Buhari must go back to Nigeria.
Yeah.
I flew in here at great expense, at great risk. I'm not even eating at all. I came straight from the airport here because my country is important to me. Look at the only thing I flew with me. I flew with this. Nigeria Airways. That's to show you how proud I am of Nigeria. Nigeria Airways. I flew with that. My toothbrush is here. My change of everything is here. I flew with Nigeria Airways. The colors I'm wearing, look at that. Yeah. White, green. I'm proud of Nigeria, but I'm not proud of Nigeria's leaders. I am proud of Nigeria, but I'm not proud of Nigeria's leaders. This man is not a leader. He is not running a government, he is running a criminal enterprise.